just on one finger.
How'd you do that?
Take the paper and it magically prints into a dollar. Watch the coin. If I just rub, it turns into 2 coins. No funny movements or anything. Look.
How'd they restore that?
Stay tuned for the end of the video and see if you can solve this week's riddle. If you can solve it, you have a chance to win this week's secret mystery prize. Oh, magic! Welcome to this week's episode of How to Magic. I am your host, Evan Era. Today I am showing you 5 money magic tricks that you can do. So if you're ready, hit the thumbs up button on the video and let's go. Okay, Ava, I have a really cool trick to show you with these dollar bills. Okay, so I'm gonna take the bills like this and I'm gonna line them up just like so. Now I'm going to take these scissors.
What?
Yep, so take the bills. You think you can cut them straight down the middle, straight in half like this?
Yeah, but why are we cutting money here?
You want to do it or you want me to?
I'll do it.
All right, you gotta cut them right down the middle like that.
Like right here?
Yep,
Right.
straight. Perfect. So you cut those right in half, right? Cut both bills in half. Watch, check this out. No funny movements or anything, look.
How'd they restore that? There were 2 halves and then they...
You cut them, right?
Yes.
Both the bills instantly restored. Isn't that crazy?
How'd you do that?
Magic.
I don't believe it.
I'll show you the secret right now. All right, here's how it's done. I'm about to reveal a secret. The secret to this trick is extremely simple, and I'll teach you how it's done right now. Okay, here is what you need to set up the cut and restored dollar bills trick. So you're going to need 2 dollar bills. You can actually do this with any paper currency, so if you don't live in the US, you're also going to need some rubber cement. And of course, you will need a pair of scissors. Now here is your setup. This is what you're gonna do before the trick starts. You're going to take some of the rubber cement and we're going to apply a thin layer right across the back of each bill, about 1 inch wide. Once you've applied a thin layer on each bill, just let them sit and dry. Here's a pro tip. After you've put the rubber cement on, put a little bit of talcum powder on the back of each bill. You can even rub them together and they're not going to stick to each other because of the talcum powder. All you're gonna do is line them up back to back. You wanna make sure they're facing the same direction and make sure you align the edges of the bills as closely as you can. So now when you take them and cut them in half in the middle like this, you can then instantly take them and check this out, watch. It looks like both of the bills have instantly restored. Because that rubber cement just sticks them together, it bonds them in the middle. As the scissor runs across the bills, it sticks the 2 opposite halves together. You can see the serial numbers on the bills actually don't match. This half is 1 half of a bill and this half is the other. 2 different serial numbers. I first saw this trick in Mark Wilson's book, but it's actually way older than that and I don't know who originally invented it. Once you're done with the trick, you can then pull them apart, tape the bills back together, and you can still spend them. So grab 2 dollar bills, some rubber cement, and try this one out at home. Okay, so I have a blank piece of paper here. You can see on both sides it is completely blank. Now watch, I'm going to fold up the paper just like this. Now check this out, this is crazy. Take the paper and it magically prints into a dollar. You only need 3 things to perform this trick. You need a dollar bill of some kind, you need some scissors, and you need a blank piece of white paper. Measure out the size of the bill and cut a piece of paper exactly the same size. Now here's what we need to start the trick. We've got our blank piece of paper that is exactly the same size as our bill, and we're going to fold these up in the exact same way. Same thing on your piece of paper. Before the trick starts, you're going to palm the dollar bill folded up in your hand just like this, and conceal it from the audience's view. You can show it front and back, and then you just want to fold up the piece of paper along its creases. You're going to switch this piece of paper for the bill, and from the front it looks like this. As you wave the hand back and forth, it's kind of covering this motion happening of you just sliding the paper in and the bill out. And you're going to end with the paper now finger palmed like this, hidden from the audience's view, presenting the bill like this. You can then unfold the bill, being careful not to flash this, and show this to the audience. You can hand it out for examination. So take the piece of paper, wave it, and it looks like it changes into a bill just like that. Okay, Ava, I have a cool coin trick to show you. Do me a favor, check out that coin, make sure it's normal. Also have a marker here. Do me a favor, sign the coin, like put your initials on it or draw something on the front face of it. There you go, very good. All right, I think that's pretty unique. You wanna do something on the other side?
Yeah.
All right, magic. All right, so magic on one side and your name on the other side, right? Okay, so check this out. I'm gonna take the coin like this in my hand. Can you hold out your hands just like that? If I take the coin like this and I kind of hold it over your hands, watch. It looks like it just magically disappeared. It looked like it just vanished, right? What actually happened right there is I froze time. I went in my pocket. I pulled out a magic capsule. I took off rubber bands from it. I opened it up. Inside that was a smaller magic capsule. I opened that up. Inside that was a little bag. I opened the rubber band off of that. I put your coin inside. I rubber banded it back up. I put it back inside the smaller capsule. I rubber banded that back up. Put it back inside the bigger capsule. Rubber banded that back up. I put it back in my pocket. And I put my hands back in this position. And I finished snapping. I really did. You don't believe me? Check this out, it's in my pocket right now, I'll show you. My magic capsule, you can see it. It's all closed up with rubber bands. Do me a favor, take the rubber bands off the outside of it. Yeah, it's hard to open, yeah. All right, now open it up. There's another smaller capsule inside it, you can see. Open that one up too. Now inside the smaller capsule, what is there? A small bag, rubber banded shut, right? What's inside? Your coin, right?
Oh my gosh, how'd you do that?
You wanna know the secret? I'll teach you. Okay, here is the secret to the impossible coin capsule. This is available now at evanarratv.com. This is one of our fan favorites, one of our best sellers of all time at evanarratv.com, our online magic shop. This is the impossible coin capsule, and it's pretty much a self-working trick once you get the coin into the capsule. So I'm gonna deconstruct this thing and show you exactly how it works. Before the trick starts, you're gonna take the little bag, you're gonna slide it over your little coin chute, and now we're gonna rubber band it in place. So it's gonna go inside the capsule, and then we're gonna rubber band it up. All you do is take the coin, you're gonna let that just slide right down inside the coin tray so that when you pull it out, it's just gonna pop closed like that. Take the rubber bands off, the outer capsule, you have a little capsule inside. These things are completely sealed up. How could the coin possibly be inside? And then rubber band it up inside this little bag. They then remove the rubber band. You can have the spectator do this whole process. They open it up and they find inside their coin. Okay, really cool trick that you can do with a dollar bill. So take a dollar bill like this and we're going to fold it on the top. We're going to crease it just like that, and we're also going to do the same thing on the bottom just like this. So now we take the bill and we're going to put it on our thumbs just like this. Now look, if I let go, the bill will balance on my two thumbs, but here's the really crazy part. If I move this thumb, the bill now balances just on one finger. Crazy, look at that. There's no strings, no wires, no magnets, and I'll teach you the secret of performing this right now. These are the only two things that you need to perform this trick, so you can pretty much do it anytime, anywhere, as long as you have a coin and a bill. So the first thing you're gonna do is fold the dollar bill up around the coin in a specific way. So we wanna put the coin in there and we wanna fold it like this, and then again on the other side so that we kind of sandwich the coin in there. Now we wanna position the coin all the way at the end right here, and we wanna hide it inside the bill with the fold. Now this is the position that you want it to be in when you perform the trick. This way, the weight of the coin holds it on your finger so that it balances. So you want to find the point where the coin and the bill balance on your fingertip. And now you can grab the bill, open it up from the other side while you simultaneously palm off the coin and hide it from the audience. You can also start the trick with the coin on the back of the bill like this while you show it from the front. Then while you're presenting it to the audience, you can do the folding right in front of them as you fold the bill up. We're then going to put it on our fingertip. You can even support it with both fingers and then remove one to where it looks like it is now just impossibly suspended in midair. Okay, check it out. I have a cool trick to show you with this nickel. So keep your eyes on the nickel, and I want to show you I have nothing in my hand. Watch, I'm just going to rub the coin a little bit, and it looks like it turns into $2.50. The secret to this trick is extremely simple. This is it right here. You're going to hold the coins in this position so that when you hold it like this and show it to your audience, it is invisible, completely hidden by your finger here and your finger here and the coin in front. Now all you're going to do is simply flip this coin up onto the back of the other coins as you rotate them up like this to show them. So at full speed, it should look something like this. Show your hand empty, you come over, provide cover, rub the coins, and then show that they have multiplied. All right, guys, that is it for this video. And if you liked it, hit the thumbs up button and be sure to share it with someone you think might like it too, and help the YouTube algorithm so that more people see this video. Be sure to subscribe to the channel if you're new and hit that notification bell so that you see all of our videos. And now it is the end of the video, which brings us to this week's riddle. The riddle is this: you can drop me off the top of the highest building and I will not break, but if you put me in the ocean, I will. What am I? Leave your answer in the comments below, and whoever gets it right wins this week's mystery prize. And I'll also be giving away magic coin capsules to 5 other comments in the comment section who get the riddle right. I'll be revealing the answer to this week's riddle in next week's episode. And it's time to announce the giveaway winners from the last How To Magic episode. The winners are magically appearing on the screen right here. Congratulations to the winners of that giveaway. Be sure to send your full mailing address to this email address on the screen to claim your prize. Also, if you have a Snapchat account, be sure to follow me on Snapchat. Link is in the description for that. Posting a lot of cool magic videos there and a lot of other really cool stuff, so check it out. Until next time, remember that anything is possible as long as you stay positive, work hard, and laugh at life. Love you guys.